I'm dipping in my Chevelle, my Chevelle. I'm bouncing in my Chevelle. I'm riding in my Chevelle.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevelle 254. You tuned in for another one. Cause out here in the garage, tinkering around, doing what we do best. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know, Chevelle's on deck. Up next, it's gonna be a lot of work, but we're gonna stick with it. So we're just gonna start tightening stuff up here and there and everywhere, and getting it back together. One thing I do need to want to know, all that jazz. Does anybody know what the wiring is for the starter? As you can see, my starter is wired in right here. And that engages my starter so I can, so I'm not sure exactly what wire it is. I'm pretty sure this goes to like the radio or something. I know it's not that one. So if anybody knows or had a schematic for a 1973 Chevelle or Camino, or something that has the same wiring, then let me know. And so I can get that thing wired up to the ignition like it's supposed to be. And then that's one less thing I gotta worry about. So it's your boy Chevelle 254. Tune in for another one. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Also, make sure that y'all go click the like button. Make sure that you tell your friends. If you have suggestions for videos, drop them down below. Like, we really finna take this to the next level. Next giveaway is gonna be at 800 subscribers. Doing another set of plates. Video coming soon for that. So the official video. So definitely let me know what y'all think down below. So it's your boy Chevelle signing off. Identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Gone.